Hi, today we'd like to take you through some key tips to help you plan for emergencies when the unexpected happens. Time and time again, we help customers through power outage crises. This can be a result of natural disasters, utility failures, or simply unpredictable downtime. Today I'd like to take you through 4 simple steps in order to prepare in advance of these circumstances, to help you to become more proactive and confident that a rental power solution is ready if and when you need it. To begin planning, step 1, determine your facility's power requirements. You have to determine, in the case of an outage, are you going to provide power for your entire facility and equipment, or for critical loads only? Step 2, plan for the logistics of delivery and operation. Location is key when sourcing your temporary power solution. Find a local CAT dealer who can deliver and park the generator set so it is easily accessible for connecting, operating, servicing, and fueling. Step 3, identify ancillary equipment and accessories. Your installation may require a variety of accessory equipment. Consider whether you will need cables, switchgear, transformers, distribution panels, cable ramps, or any other secondary equipment to complete your load-in. Step 4, conduct a dry run, designate emergency contacts, and have a plan for fueling. Make a list of key emergency contacts who will be in charge during outages. Ensure this list is accessible to your team members, and please keep it up to date. Prepare for the worst, but expect the best. Sooner or later, power outages affect everyone. Don't wait for the inevitable to happen. The time to plan is now.